Cullinan right now. This is a piece of the Cullinan Mansory kit. This is actually, so as you can see, this is the back of the, oh my god.
Act right.
Alright, so we're in the shop. We don't have much time to talk because there's so much noise back here. This is the rocker panel. It's gonna go right here. Like that. Right now Luis is cutting up some stuff so we can put on the front piece. This is gonna be one of my favorite cars of the year. I'm super excited, so.
See? That's why we cut over here a little bit. This one has to go down. Ese es el lugar, homie. Go ahead.
This is the Radlav Heck Kotflügel left side.
Pues la chingada. Put that one, put that one,
No,
put
no,
that one,
watch
put that
it.
one, put that one.
Watch it.
Put that one.
Yeah, it's okay. Just
Put that one.
Oh yeah, you can stay in the weekend.
Alright guys, behind me is this beast. This is the Mansory Rolls Royce Cullinan. This car we wrapped 3 times now. Originally black, we did a white and black theme, and then we did that burgundy red with white theme matching Phantom 8. Now it's completely wrapped in this midnight gloss blue color, and we installed this Mansory kit. This is a wide body kit on the Cullinan. You guys already know we do a lot of wide bodies on all kinds of cars. This is the Cullinan. So Mansory, very prestigious. This is the dopest kit you could get on this car. Pricey because of the quality. This car features a lot of carbon fiber all over the place now. Front bumper, front grills, carbon fiber mesh everywhere, LED light, wide body flares, side rocker panels all in carbon that we meticulously wrapped and left a few pieces in carbon fiber visible. Rear flares, and of course the rear end, which is a big old bumper with really massive exhaust tips. And then it's got the roof spoiler and the trunk spoiler. This car also has Mansory wheels, 24-inch wheels. He had this before, we made them black, and now we actually custom machined them, the face in silver. So that's why you see it black and silver. This car, he never wanted to do a blackout or anything like that. That's why you see the chrome all over it with the matching wheels. The other special thing about this, which I haven't seen on a Cullinan before, is the tires. All-terrain tires on this bad boy. We had it on there before, we still have it on there now with the wide body kit on there. So really looks different, beefy, crazy setup, honestly. You can still go off-roading in this thing with no problem. And of course, it has the crazy Spirit of Ecstasy worth a couple $100,000, black diamonds on there. I mean, this is as wild as it gets for a Cullinan in Los Angeles. Right now we're near the Hollywood sign. It's very hot. We're filming for you guys again. So much to show you with this car, so enjoy.
Sandía, coco.
Mangoneada,
Huh?
nanche,
Okay.
esquimal.
You remember these when we were like 10, like 15 years old? 15, 16 years old. They used to
15, 16, I was going to the club, but when I was 10, yes.
I'm talking about the ice cream. I'm not talking about the
Yeah, when I was 15 and 16, I wasn't eating this kind of stuff.
I
going to
was.
the clubs.
They used to bring these at our apartments when we used to
No, coconut.
go swimming, and we used to have these.
You pay for me?
I don't have cash.
Okay.
Uno más coconut.
Did you get it?
Let me have coconut, Papa.
Hey, you pay for mine, huh?
What do you think? What do you think I am? Red Cross for you guys?
Yeah, you pay.
Cash.
Cash.
He doesn't get Macy's
You don't
cards.
take credit card? How much?
20.
What?
20.
20?
Yeah, está.
Hey, thank you.
Gracias, mijo.
Gracias a ustedes.
Just bought ice cream for pretty much everybody, almost. I wasn't supposed to spend that 20 bucks, but I did. And he knows he took all my money and he's laughing. He's having a good time. Look at him.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Don't come again. All right, so we have an 05 Camry here. This Camry was towed in today because the car has a bad starter, so it's not starting. Santos just tried to hit the starter a little bit, hoping that it'll turn over so we can start to go, put the car inside and put the new one in. But it's really bad, so it's not even budging at all. So we're gonna go ahead and change the starter on the street. Unfortunately, we already got a ticket. So yeah, they weren't really nice to us this morning. And they knew that the car wasn't working, so we still got a ticket. Okay, so this Camry is a wrap. Santos put in the new starter, so we're just gonna call the customer so she can come pick it up. Let's give this thing a try. Beautiful. Car is back to 100%. Let's call the customer so she can pick it up. This whole block is basically all of our customers, which have been coming here for the last 10 years. So anytime they have car problems, they'll come and talk to us. We just had a customer right now with the Lexus RX come into our store, and the battery light's on. So we're just gonna go down the street. Let's see which Lexus this is. Let's see if there's an alternator problem, so we can bring it to the store and repair that as well. Let's see where this Lexus is. It should be an RX. Ah, there you go. I think that's it. Which is the black Lexus right here. Let's see if this is the car. Yep, this is it. Let's take a look real quick. Okay, this is the car. Yep. Yes, we do. We have an alternator problem, you guys. Battery light is on right there. So yeah, this has to go to RDB. Let's take it to RDB. Let's put a new alternator in this thing. And we still have time today, so I think we can pull it off. Let's go. There's an amplifier too.
Yeah, Papa.
What is that?
God.
Needs like a generator or something.
Generator, yeah.
That's what you plugged in. It defeats the purpose.
Quítale la pausa.
¿La qué?
This idiot is buying it from you?
Yeah.
You're stupid. You're a genuine stupid person.
You gonna take this home?
Yeah.
He has too much money, that's why.
Let's bump it, let's see how hard it is.
Que le ponga, que le suba. Que le suba, dice el saco. Que le suba.